how's it going, my show? And today I'm trying a different angle this time for my videos because I re-looked at them. And so yeah, that's why I'm trying a different angle, like this angle. So yeah, as you can remember by this slime, if you don't know, there's actually a life hack to make your slime, butter slime. So I have it right here. I'm having the hiccups right now, honestly. My slime's so big, it's covering up my face. Okay. So yeah, let's get started. All you need is toilet paper, okay? So before you slime it on your slime, you have to find a way to split it apart, see? Like this, y'all, and that's how to make it butter slime. There's actually two ways if you get the soft clay that I'm gonna get, but I'm showing y'all a life hack where y'all can have butter slime without getting soft clay. So you take the piece that you have the paper in and put it on your slime, okay? So you just lay it down before you start mixing. So I'm not used to filming at this area, so get used to it, y'all. For this video, I had to push down and and then after that, you have to mixing, and now start mixing, y'all. And it works with any types of slime. Probably not jiggly slime because I haven't tried that out yet, and I will do that in my next video. Yeah, and so yeah, and this actually works. I'm actually gonna get the other half because I wouldn't ruin my slime. Also, I showed my friend. I don't like that. I'm not gonna pull out her name. So yeah, let's just lay this down. Okay. Where are they writing? I don't know. Well, I am just flattening it down again, and oh gosh, sorry guys, I'm the only person that does it, and I might actually ask you that live with me to hold the camera sometimes if I have a handful. So and honestly, no sight of toilet paper and the slime. Y'all can actually look through it. No, get on my precious jeans. Well, no side of toilet paper. So yeah, it actually works. So yeah, guys, I hope you like this video. Bye!